Hey everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Life Blueprint channel, and today we're talking about a sensitive but important topic. Vaginal area boils. If you've ever dealt with one, you know how painful they can be. But the good news is, there are ways to treat them at home and prevent them from coming back. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor, but the advice I'm sharing is based on expert recommendations and personal care practices. If you have any concerns, always check with a healthcare professional. Now let's get into it. What are vaginal boils? So what exactly is a vaginal boil? A boil is a painful, pus-filled bump that develops when a hair follicle or sweat gland becomes infected. It often starts as a small, red, tender spot and can grow larger as it fills with pus. These boils can be uncomfortable, especially in such a sensitive area, but they're usually not dangerous if treated properly. Now, what causes them? One of the most common reasons is ingrown hairs, which can happen after shaving or waxing when hair grows back into the skin instead of outward. Another cause is bacterial infections, particularly from Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, which can enter through tiny cuts or irritated skin. Friction from tight clothing, especially in hot and humid conditions, can also contribute by trapping sweat and bacteria. Lastly, poor hygiene or excessive sweating can increase the risk, as bacteria thrive in warm, moist environments. Home remedies for fast relief. If you're dealing with a boil, the good news is that most will heal on their own with some simple home treatments. One of the best remedies is a warm compress. Just soak a clean washcloth in warm water and hold it against the boil for 10 to 15 minutes, a few times a day. This helps increase blood flow, encouraging the boil to drain and heal faster. Another natural remedy is tea tree oil, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. However, it's strong, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before applying it to the affected area. Turmeric paste is another great option. It's known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Mixing turmeric powder with water or coconut oil and applying it to the boil can help reduce swelling and speed up healing. If you're looking for a soothing solution, try an Epsom salt bath. Adding Epsom salt to warm bath water can help cleanse the area and provide relief. Lastly, if the pain is bothering you, over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help reduce discomfort and inflammation. Before we get to the next point, I just want to take a second to say thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this, please hit that like button. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you'll always be in the loop. If you're already subscribed, drop a hey in the comments so I know you're here. Now, let's keep the conversation going. What not to do? While you might be tempted to get rid of a boil quickly, there are a few things you should absolutely avoid. Never pop or squeeze a boil, no matter how tempting it is. Doing so can spread the infection and make things worse. Also, stay away from harsh soaps or chemical-based products, as they can irritate the skin and slow down healing. Finally, don't ignore a boil if it keeps growing, becomes extremely painful, or starts spreading. This could indicate a more serious infection that needs medical attention. When to see a doctor? So when should you seek medical help? If the boil becomes very large, extremely painful, or doesn't improve after a few days, it might need to be drained by a doctor. Also, if you develop a fever or notice red streaks spreading from the boil, this could be a sign of a more serious infection that requires antibiotics. Lastly, if you keep getting boils repeatedly, it could indicate an underlying issue like diabetes or a weakened immune system, so it's best to get checked out. Prevention tips. Preventing vaginal boils is all about keeping the area clean, dry, and irritation-free. Start by wearing loose, breathable underwear, preferably made of cotton, to allow airflow and reduce moisture buildup. Practicing good hygiene is also important. Gently cleanse the area daily and exfoliate occasionally to prevent clogged pores and ingrown hairs. If you shave, make sure to use a sharp, clean razor and avoid shaving too closely to the skin. Applying a gentle moisturizer or aloe vera after shaving can help reduce irritation. Finally, boosting your immune system with a healthy diet, hydration, and proper sleep can help your body fight off infections before they turn into painful boils. Vaginal boils can be painful and frustrating, but with the right care, they usually heal on their own. By understanding the causes, using effective home remedies, and knowing when to seek medical attention, you can manage them safely and prevent future breakouts. Remember to take care of your skin, wear breathable clothing, and maintain good hygiene to reduce the risk of recurrence. If you've ever dealt with this issue, I'd love to hear what worked for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time.